All makes water pumps fit GM vehicles as well as a wide range of non-GM vehicles. Thoroughly tested for reliable, leak-free performance. Coated seals support seal longevity and durability. Heat-treated shaft assemblies provide superior strength and durability over non-treated assemblies. High-quality bearings are permanently sealed and lubricated for greater durability and long life. Come with premium, high-quality replacement components needed for trouble-free and accurate installation. Uniform wall sections and smooth coolant flow cavities for efficient operation. Cast iron or aluminum design, depending on vehicle application. An ACDelco Professional, premium aftermarket engine water pump circulates coolant through your vehicle's radiator and engine system to help maintain proper engine temperature and performance. The gaskets, seals, and O-rings packaged with this professional, premium aftermarket water pump help guarantee that all necessary parts are available for trouble-free installation. ACDelco Professional Water Pumps are a high-quality replacement for many vehicles on the road today. This premium aftermarket replacement engine water pump is manufactured to meet your expectations for fit, form, and function. Top reviews from the United States. Another quality part from ACDelco. Replaced pump on 1996 Cherokee 4.0L. Direct fit, no problems with install. Make sure you get the water pump inlet tube, it will make the change easier not having to deal with swapping the old one over. Came with a gasket, but I used a Fel Pro gasket. Coolant temp sitting in traffic during the summer would go to the halfway point, runs much cooler than the worn-out old one did. 17,000 miles so far.